Soco's SB38x2B-1S CNC tube bender can operate with tubes with diameters up to 38.1 millimeters and 3.0 millimeters in thickness. Its powerful hydraulic system utilizes a high-precision speed control valve to achieve the optimal bending and boosting speeds, while the plane turning and feeding axis are controlled by servo motors. Together with Soco's multifunctional software, we are able to offer a truly fast, efficient, and fully automated tube bending machine. This machine has a compact bending head, reducing the interference length to 240 millimeters. It is ideal for metal furniture, motorcycle parts, medical equipment, automotive parts, stainless handrails, bicycle parts, and sanitary equipment. The tube bender may utilize single or double bending stacks, each with their own pressure dies in order to avoid collisions. Operation is controlled through an IPC, providing 5 different operations modes: manual, semi-automatic, automatic, part data management, and data edit. The system operates under the Windows 98 platform and contains a 20 GB hard drive that may store more than 50,000 different files and settings. The operator may also convert from XYZ to YBC values, as well as utilize our 3D model displays for the highest efficiency during the bending process. Each file may contain settings for 30 different bends. Each individual bend may be set with 8 different action sequences, and each sequence may be set with different speeds. Under the automatic operation mode, the operator may simultaneously open and utilize 9 different files, as well as set parameters for different material batches that use the same bending die, giving him or her greater flexibility during each bending process. We also offer the SB38x2B-1S or 2S model, an economical and practical option that uses touchscreen and PLC controls, with the ability to store up to 250 different file settings. It is equipped with a manually controlled speed control valve, while also offering all the functionalities of a CNC system. Soco continues to research and develop customer-oriented solutions to provide quality and precision. Soco, bent on being the best.